So are we in Fresno or Clovis? Clovis. We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a gas line over the stove, which is sitting right behind this water heater. You can see we just put a T on the wall right there, and then a short little nipple, and then a 12-inch piece down to a 90, and then snuck behind the water heater. We didn't want to go underneath the water heater because the stand is going to come out when they replace the water heater. We didn't want the plumbing in the way, so we just piped it down and behind. We also give you a new shutoff valve right here, a new connector over the water heater. Water heater's lit, and the burner's on right now, so that's good. Inside, where we came through, you can see right here, just popped through right there. A little fussy, we had to notch out right here, which is fine. You can take a screw and screw this stud back to the stud next to it. You can see there's blocking here between the studs. There's also some blocking here between the studs, and so you can reconnect that, not a problem. Anyways, it comes through right there, little 90 coming up. We have to swing it to the front of the wall because we're fighting the water heater water. That's the hot, and it's pretty close to the outside wall. Unfortunately, the cold is close to the inside wall. So we just brought everything out to the very front. You can see we're strapped and in the wall. If you look at it from this point of view, you can see it's in the wall, which means this 90 right here at this port, probably poking out of the wall just a little bit, but it's strapped, two-hole strap, and then a valve. And just as a safety feature, we've got you a little plug here. This valve turns it on, and this is just, we always put this in when we put a valve on for you. We went off these dimensions, 12, 36, 30, and 3, which gives you a total of 76, 88, 91 inches, which comes out to about right here, 91. And then, of course, a 12-inch cabinet. And so we're right in there. We're about 94, something like that. So we're right close to this edge. Take your gas line and kind of circle it back down, drill through the back of the cabinet right here, and then just follow it down. This is about where the location of that gas regulator is going to be on your new stove. So a 3 or 4 foot line, 1/2 inch OD. I gave you an adapter for this. You just screw it on and tie it in. Anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.